Race cannot be used as a word to express the genetic and mental differences between humans who appear phenotypically different. Race cannot be used as the basis by which we separate people and claim their genetic and mental differences. There simply aren't any. Thus, physical differences cannot be used to justify the existence of mental differences. Biologically, race is a mere myth. However, socially, race has become a reality because of the social consequences it has produced. First, let's start off by looking back at how the concept of race was formed and what the word race came to mean. In terms of race, there are said to be 4 divisions of mankind: Black, Archaic White, White, and Mongoloid, and these groups can then be broken down into subgroups, but these subgroups have still become so mixed that it is almost impossible to distinguish them from each other. The idea that race is more than just differences in physical characteristics comes from racist views. This idea says that differences in race also include differences in mentality, personality, and culture. However, race has not always been seen this way. In fact, it wasn't until opposition to the slave trade began that the notion of differences beyond physical characteristics appeared to justify the slave trade. This began the notion that humans are broken up into different races, with some being superior over others. The science behind it all: why genetics and biology prove race to be a myth.
As explained by the author, the so-called races merely represent different kinds of temporary mixtures of genetic materials common to all mankind. This means that there is no evidence that mental ability and cultural achievement are in any way associated with genes linked with those for skin color, hair type, or any other physical characteristic. Genetically, it is impossible to say anything about a person's mental ability or cultural achievement because genetically we are fundamentally all the same.
Blood has also been used to categorize and rank different groups of people and different families. Terms such as pure blood, half-blood, and blue blood were used to describe different groups of people based off the path of reproduction that a group or family took, whether they reproduced within their same group or ventured outside to other ones.